Today I will show you how to change title name settings on Sony ZV-1 Mark II. To start, open menu. Open house icon and go to main tool. Then choose this icon and title name settings. Then you can set the title name. Then confirm it by clicking OK. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.